I forgot. Oh, see, look. That's what... Feel that. That's what they're going to feel like. That's the emitter. Yes. Look at this emitter. Look at this thing. Yes. She originally wanted power and control.
Oh. But I'm doing peace and justice.
Tells you a lot about our relationship. She picked it first. That's awesome.
Are these going to be on the same transaction or separate?
Same.
All right, and we're doing one power and control?
One power and control and one peace and justice. You want to hold it?
I do.
Hold that one right there.
All right, it's going to be 572.48. We will collect those again in just a moment.
Okay.
Thank you.
The stroller's okay over there, right? Okay.
Can I see yours? Wait, I don't even have mine in the picture. Let's see your pen. Yeah. You want to hold this for me?
So we have to go where?
And this? Thank you.
Over here?
Yeah, right here. I do. Now I got it. Hi.
Right this way.
No.
Stormtroopers watching you. No one's shady.
No. No stormtroopers, no first order troopers.
You'll be right here. And you'll be right here. Just place those right up front for me, okay? Yes, perfect. Now, friends, just be mindful of these chambers. The chambers
God bless
are a
you.
bit temperamental, so please don't lean on the chambers or touch the chambers. We don't want anyone getting a shot. Just place your credentials all the way up front. Excellent. Yeah, just be careful. Welcome to the workshop. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a
Exciting.
lot. To us, it's everything. Now, as you've met my fellow gatherers, and you may call me Kembe. And yes, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. For good reason. So allow us to explain. You see, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. For we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We look in abandoned places, forgotten outposts, battle-ravaged planets, and what we find out there, we gather and bring here to our workshop. So, where a stormtrooper will hopefully see nothing but worthless clutter, while those who know will see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. Now we've all... Yes? Good, good. Well, a new Jedi. She was a scrapper like us. What's her name?
Ray.
Ray, yes. And what Ray is leading is the spark of hope we have all been waiting for. This is why you are here, to look ahead to the future. And you're here today for something special. You're here to build this. A lightsaber. A lightsaber has been wielded by some of the galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. For the saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. But enough talk. Are we ready to begin?
Yes.
Then we start with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. Now, the color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. You might recognize these from our myths, our legends, our history. Blue. Like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now we hear red. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and of course, Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal. Beautiful and rare. Like the one wielded by the great Jedi warrior, Mace Windu. Red, the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader. And now, Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. Today, we are here for you, our future. You will now choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes and picture it. What crystal is calling out to you? What color do you see in your mind? Now open your eyes and take that crystal. And remember, friends, that kyber crystal might very well be choosing you.
How cool is this? It's yours. Ooh, green. What color did we get? Red.
We got green.
Like your guys' eyes.
Well done, friends. Now, if you haven't already, place your crystal on the green crystal holder in front of you. It is time to combine that crystal with the unique lightsaber design you have selected. You're going to be building your hilt. Now, the hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber and the center of control. The hilt is also the thing that keeps your hand from being disintegrated.
All right, let's see what we got here.
In the boxes in front of you, you'll find all the components you need to construct your very own lightsaber. They have been arranged by our gatherers to facilitate this build. Here you will find your chassis, your activation plates, your grips, your emitter, and your pommel cap. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you have selected your kyber crystal, you will now select the individual components
This one
that
is
make
the
up
one I
your
can get out
unique
front.
lightsaber's design. Our gatherers are here to help, so please follow their instruction and advice. All right, friends, let's build.
These are the emitters.
We're going to do that.
Okay.
So first we're going to start with our chassis and our crystal. So go ahead and grab your crystal. Starting with the little end, put the little end in the bottom, and then slide the bigger end to the top until you see it nice and flush. This is the hardest part of the build. We're going to go ahead and give it a little twist just to make sure we're all nice and tight. Oh, we did fall. There we go. Very nice.
Cool.
So your next thing you're going to be doing, sir, is you're going to choose between some of your So you're going to choose one set of these. You'll notice on the inside there is a blue and a red. It will correspond with the blue and the red on your chassis, and then you'll just stick them on there.
So many choices. Like better? Do you like this look or like this look better?
So next we're going to move on to common.
This one? All right, let's go with this one.
So you have on
The
other
blue.
side,
So this blue one goes here, and then we match the red up top here. Ooh, that feels good. I like that.
go ahead and use it, activate, perfect. We want to hear that start.
Excellent.
When you're done with that, you're going to choose one of these right here. The large ring will go on the bottom. You'll push down and twist it into place, okay?
Should we keep the same pattern that we've picked already? Yeah?
So actually, yeah, this one will go on first. The large ring will go first.
Oh, this way? Okay.
You go ahead and so any one of these. So now one of these.
How's yours going?
And for yours, you're just going to want that large ring. So now you'll choose another one and do the same thing on the top. Large ring first, push on into it.
So let's see, these two look to be the same. This one's a little bit different. Which one do you like better? Do you like the look of this one or this one? You like this one better? All right, we'll do this one next then. Yeah.
So just put one of those ones on the top for now. And if you want to switch the spike, you can grab that.
All right, we're going outside to get the spike one anyway, so... Oh, these are they the same?
They're the same.
Yeah,
So
okay.
just put it on for now, so that your saber is complete.
Which way's the top? This side? We're going to get a spiked one outside because it's going to be cool.
Now you may choose one of your end caps.
Do you want a belt clip? You can put on her belt. Oh, they do.
Excellent, my friends. Very good. Keep going. These are coming together.
We're doing this bottom one because we can match the top with spikes.
Do you like how it looks?
I do. What do you think?
Do you mind if I look at your choices?
Go right ahead.
Very good.
Yeah. Do you like it? You're the one who built it.
I hate choices.
Are you happy with that?
Do you like this one? Okay.
Did you help mommy?
Yeah.
Me too. What did you pick out? This, this.
Who's going to be doing the activation?
It felt natural. Yeah. Well, you have some great.
Are you doing the activation?
I love the bantha leather.
What do you mean?
Or is she doing the activation?
What do you mean? We haven't gotten that far. She just took it and set it there. I don't know what the next step is.
Just careful with that chamber.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, get down.
Once we're ready to activate, Kimberly's going to say activate, and you're going to have to activate.
Do you want to activate the lightsaber?
Okay, thank
Yeah, you guys can activate them.
So that's going to be your activation.
Right here is the one for mine.
Kimberly says activate. Everybody's going to do it.
Good.
Powerful.
You're just going to push up with
Intense.
Very good. Yes. Now these components.
A little angry. A little angry though. A little
When it
angry.
tells you to activate, you're just going to push that
Are you
button
questioning me?
like that. When it says deactivate key, it says turn off.
What color crystal? And
Red. But to be
should I
fair,
be worried that you're next to each other here, rule of two and all? Have you met before?
you're wearing red. Yeah.
You know, but the Sith teach us. They teach us to follow our passion, right? Passion leads to strength. Strength leads to power, and power will lead to victory. Victory over
Kids at home, I came to get the power and then go.
I'll see. I'm indoctrinating them to the power side. I'm getting them in on
They
it.
got their, they made their cheaper ones, but they did red. So they picked
That's
red
him.
already.
Darth Maul's all him.
Well, you know, that's his symbol right behind you, that red circle.
Oh yeah, it is. Look, it's Darth Maul's symbol.
Traded with them in the past. So don't worry, so we're all friends here, right? Yes?
Neutral ground.
There you go, exactly. We don't judge around here. We're friends here, so use them
Hey,
wisely.
that's the best way for business, though.
Exactly. Now, why did we choose this stuff?
I just liked it.
Say you felt it. It came to you.
Actually, you should like your lightsaber. That's rule number one, yes? Now, these components, they're a little different. These actually, we found them in a Republic era bundle. Yeah, so we believe they haven't been touched since the Clone Wars.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Which is, that is your favorite Star Wars, is Clone Wars time.
Ahsoka, your favorite.
Well, I like Ahsoka and Obi.
Obi-Wan's her favorite.
Perfectly matched. Good.
Anakin, Darth Vader.
We did green.
Green. You know, they say the wisest Jedi carried the green crystal. You're
I
making
knew
wise
that's
choices.
why I took it.
How do we feel?
Did you pick the green one or did mommy?
I wanted blue, but I wanted
We get our Brylog from Kashyyyk. We trained with our friends the Wookiees.
So I have
And
a
they
question
made
for you.
strongest
Yeah.
metal, yes.
So because our youngins are going to be doing it, and I know
Very good. Well,
Yeah.
would you like myself and one of my associates to help with this, just to make sure we get everything activated so you can...
Not mine? Yeah, okay, awesome. Thank you.
Well done. How about you? How do you feel?
You guys are going to do the activation for Mommy and Daddy's lightsaber. So you guys are part of it. You guys helped us pick it out, and you guys are going to activate it. What do you say? Yay or
How about here?
nay?
How do we feel?
Yeah?
Sith
Yeah?
components.
Oh, no, of course.
They say they have their own. Sometimes
How funny is it that you're sitting behind the Darth Maul symbol?
Don't worry, it's neutral ground here, alright? Very good, my friends. How do we feel? Beautiful. Ancient Jedi components here. Very nice. This is actually
Similar
ancient
to
Jedi
that.
writing on it. You know what that says?
It's because there's only so many you can choose from. His looks cool over there. Oh, he picked the nature one.
To you. Yes, in fact, all of your sabers might reveal their
picked the nature
power
one.
to you, my friends.
You like this better?
Take a moment now. Clear your mind and just hold your hand out towards your saber. Just
Hold it out.
that connection. And now, my friends, it is time to back away. Everyone take a big step back and allow room for our gatherers. For we must stabilize your kyber crystal. Now the gatherers are placing their hilts into our crystal stabilization chamber. This is a delicate step, and it must be done carefully by someone who's well trained and experienced. Lucky for us, our gatherers are both. Now we do this to make sure our components are working in harmony with your crystals. We want to avoid a misfire or an explosion. Basically, I don't want any more holes in my ceiling.
Oh, yeah.
Don't worry, our gatherers are the best in the galaxy. They know what they're doing, so you're in good hands. What's happening?
Who's that?
Much skill have you shown.
Who is that?
Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda. Yes, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. My friends, in a moment I will invite you to step forward and place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber. Then, on my command, we will all activate our lightsabers together. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Then it is time. Step forward.
Step forward.
Place your hand on your hilt and activate.
There it goes.
Raise your lightsaber! Congratulations, my friends. You have built a lightsaber!
You got it?
Like
got
the
it?
Jedi and the Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes one spark. Well done, my friends. Please deactivate and lower your saber.
Deactivate it.
Complete your lightsaber release. Now, your destiny, you seek. Your
Okay.
only.
Okay, you can just hold it.
May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Now in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your newly built lightsabers, we are issuing you a saber sheath, which you can collect as you leave our workshop today. Well, my friends, our time has come to an end.
Thank you very much.
Your journey is just beginning. You are as unique and extraordinary as the saber you have built. It is time to make your mark across the galaxy.
Get ready to turn it on.
Next time, we may be telling your story. Now raise your lightsaber and activate.
Aww.
Till the spire.
To the spire!
Galaxy awaits, my friends, and you can lead us. Right through that.
Thank you very much for all your help. Yeah. They did good. They held them.
Thank you for helping.
Thank you, babies, for helping.
Travel well, travel wisely.
Thank you.
If a stormtrooper should ask you where you got these today,
I found it on the ground.
yep, scrap metal.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good, my friends. Travel safe.
Congratulations. Safe travels.
Thank you. Yeah, it goes so this fits in here so we don't drop it on the ground. I knew you'd like it. Let's go get my different emitter. Look, everybody that built Sith's coming out to get the other emitter. Yes.
Perfect. You're going to push down on the blade and pull that on out for me. You're going to go ahead and twist that other emitter off. What was the last name for your... Perfect.
Yes.
Wonderful. Alrighty. And then you're going to go ahead and you can screw that piece on there for us. And then if you notice, there's going to be 2 silver notches on the bottom of your blade. Those are going to line up inside the emitter.
Yep.
We're going to push down and twist to lock that back in place.
Well, I saw him.
So twist it around. It only fits in one direction, so it's not going in the one way.
Okay.
Just like that.
And then fits in like that.
Exactly. And then when you wait, let's see.
There we go. Got it.
You are all set.
Thank you very much. Till the spire. All right, very cool.
Thank you for watching.